Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can apply or remove a grayscale color filter on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Then we scroll down and tap on Color Filters. At the top here, tap on Color Filters toggle button to switch it on. Then we go down and make sure you select Grayscale as a color filter. And that's it. Now go down and you can also change the intensity of that filter as well by simply dragging on the bar to the left or to the right to decrease or increase the filter. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.